Hey there, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ruff for Visual Studio Code. So Ruff is an extremely fast Python linter and code formatter written in Rust, as written over here. And essentially, if you are working on a very large Python project, especially with multiple people, you would want to keep the code styling and formatting the same. So you would want to keep the code consistent. And for that, we can use Ruff. I'm going to show you how to install Ruff on Visual Studio Code. So you don't need to follow these instructions on the web page, but you can look at the documentation if you want. For this example, I'm going to format the code for my Chrome dinosaur game. So this is the dinosaur game from Google Chrome, and you can see it works. And if you want to learn how to build this game, I also have a tutorial on my YouTube channel showing you how to do so. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is install the extension for Ruff. So over here, where it says extensions, just click on it and you want to look for Ruff. So type in Ruff, select the one by Astral Software and click install. Alright, so I have Ruff installed. So let's close this. And now in order to use Ruff, all you have to do is right click and you can either select format document or format document with. This will depend on whether or not you have multiple formatters installed. So if I click format document with, you can see I only have one and therefore the default formatter is Ruff. Okay, so I can select this. And you can see the code changes. So Ruff is going to format your code based on specific guidelines for Python. So for example, if I change this string to use single quotes and I right click format document, you can see it changes back to double quotes. Okay. And just to show you that it works, I can just save and run the program and you can see the program runs fine. Everything is the same except the formatting, okay? Now, it can be tedious for you to right-click format document every time. So I'm going to show you how to format on save. So just click on this gear icon for the settings and click on settings and search for format on save. So you have this option, just check this, format on save and close the settings. And now I can change this string over here. And instead of right-clicking, I can just do Control S to save the file. And you can see it's going to reapply the formatting on save. Okay, so that's how you can install and use Ruff to lint and format your Python code. And if you want to learn how to format HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code, I do have a video on my channel showing you how to install a tool called Prettier. So it's similar to Ruff, except it's for web development, okay? And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you give this video a like. And if you want to stay up to date for more tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.